In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your expense settings in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for your own personal use, getting your expenses set up just right is key to keeping everything organized and on track. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open up QuickBooks. If you're not on the home page already, simply head to the QuickBooks website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's your control center for all things financial, and it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Next, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Expenses. This section is crucial for managing the costs associated with running your business or your household. Clicking on Expenses will open up a list view of all your transactions. But right now, we're focusing on the ones that haven't been paid yet. So, let's move on to the next step. In the Expenses section, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Unpaid. This view will filter out all the paid expenses, letting you focus solely on the pending bills. Here, you'll get a clear picture of what's outstanding and can prioritize what needs to be tackled first. It's a handy way to ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. Once you have your unpaid bills visible, click on Bills. This is where we will spend a little time customizing the experience. The Bills tab allows you to manage the invoices you've received from vendors or suppliers, which is vital for maintaining good supplier relationships. Now, to make it even easier to find exactly what you're looking for, click on Filters at the top of the list. Using filters lets you sort and organize your bills by various criteria, such as due dates, amounts, vendors, and more. This level of customization helps streamline your workflow and keeps everything at your fingertips. Once you've set your filters, navigate towards Manage Settings. Here you'll find a plethora of options that are perfectly tailored to suit your unique needs. For instance, you can opt to add documents via email, which can significantly reduce the amount of paperwork and digital clutter you have to manage manually. For added convenience, click Add Documents via Email. This feature allows you to save time while ensuring all your expense documents are attached and readily available. After completing these settings, the final touch is to click on Add Bill. This action is crucial for entering new bills that may not have been captured yet. Make sure you input all necessary details to keep your expense tracking accurate. Following these steps will ensure you've set up your expense settings efficiently in QuickBooks Online. Now you're ready to manage your expenses like a pro, keeping your financials organized and accurate. Thanks for watching and good luck with your setup.